This is the operation video about the connection between the recorder and the app. You can scan the QR code on the manual to download it, or you can directly search for Viidure in the app mall. First, we will show the iOS system connection. You can see the Wi-Fi account and password in the bottom left corner of the screen. Step 1. Go to your phone settings, turn on Thielen, and find the Wi-Fi account of the recorder. Step 2. Enter the password and click Join to connect to Dashcam's Wi-Fi account. After you have successfully connected, you can see the Wi-Fi logo turning green in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open the Viidure app and connect the Dashcam's Wi-Fi account. When you connect the app for the first time, many initial settings will appear. You can just select Allow All for all of them. After successfully connecting, you will be taken to the corresponding page of the dashcam. Here's the logo for switching lenses. Here's the logo for selecting the on-off sound recording function. Here's the logo for on-off recordings. And this is Take a Photo function. Tap here and you can view the recorded video. If you come across this option during app usage, be sure to select Use Current Data. Each video can be viewed by clicking on it, and the video will have a corresponding file name on it.
Video starts.
If you need to download a video, click Select in the upper right corner and select the video clip you want to download. Once the download is completed, it will be saved in a local album. You can return to the app homepage to view it, or go to your phone album to view it. If you want to view maps and driving tracks, please disconnect your LAN and Dashcam's Wi-Fi account and keep your phone's 4G network properly connected. Next, this is a video on how Android works. The whole operation, basically, is the same as the iOS system. Be sure to select a No Thanks if you encounter this option. Thanks for watching.